In this video, I explain Samsung Smart TV, no picture but sound. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now, don't be impatient here, wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If it not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Many times the source of this problem is your HDMI connection. You want to make sure that your HDMI cable is securely plugged into the back of the connector. If you have a Fire Stick or Roku and it has a direct connection or has a very short cable, again check that as well. If that solved your problem, that's fine. If not, I want you to move the HDMI connection to another port. Most TVs have at least two or sometimes three or four of these ports. Look around the back and the side of the set. If that solves your problem, that's okay. If it not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next step. This is the last thing. Usually will do the trick, but this is a factory reset, so we are gonna reset your TV. You want to press the home button on your remote, go to the settings, then go to the support, then click self diagnostics and then reset. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.